So in Viv today we have a new speaker, and it's from the Loewe Here brand, the Pro model. And the Here 2 was pretty solid, but with this Pro model you have two extra functionalities over the Here 2. The first thing is definitely the bass and treble control on the speaker itself, so you don't have like an very big app support or anything, but at least with this speaker you do have very easy bass and treble control on the speaker itself. This really makes this speaker very nice functionality, but also if you have some songs playing with a little bit too much bass, you can adjust it a bit lower. If you have some rock songs where you want a bit more kick in the bass, you can adjust the bass up. And while this bass boost is definitely not boosting the lowest levels of bass, it's definitely doing a lot of great job in the overall bass experience. The treble control is also alright. It really is great to also have the possibility to remove a bit of the treble, because on this speaker there is a very amount of clarity. But this can also mean that in some genre of songs it means that the overall audio listening can be a little bit less harsh, for example. If you do the treble in the plus side, it's pretty clear that you get too much of this harshness. So for me personally it was clear that I put the treble like maybe 1 minus or half minus, and then the bass also sometimes a little bit lower than the stock settings. But in this video I will keep the speaker completely on its stock setting, so you can see how the speaker like fully performs. Again, the plus side with this bass and treble is definitely there, and then second plus side is definitely that the speaker has a better deepness in the bass performance than the Here 2. The Here 2 is really more on the upper bass frequencies where it's really boosted, and on this speaker you definitely hear it, but also see it a little bit on the passive radiators, that it has a bit more deepness. I also have a video very soon with the fabric cover removed, and I can already say that the main drivers are not necessarily bigger than the Here 2, maybe even a little bit smaller, but they do have bigger magnets inside, which also help with more movement in combination with more flexibility of the main drivers. And this really shows in the overall audio performance. I will also do a comparison in the near future with the Here 2, but it's pretty clear that both speakers are solid enough for me to say that I'm not like very disappointed. Especially this Pro model is pretty good done. There's only one big complaint I have with this Pro model, and also the Here 2 also had a bit of this complaint, but the Here 2 was 60 watts of power on paper, and this Pro model they say it's 100 watts. But I can definitely say that for 100 watts of power, it really lacks loudness. Like, I had to use this speaker on maximum volume to get the best output also for microphone recording, but also to get the best bass results as well. And then you still have a lot of headroom when we talk about distortion or anything else. So it's pretty clear that Loewe or Here brand, they really want to very much be in a safe zone with these speakers. Like the Here 2 also wasn't very loud, but that speaker was rated for 60 watts of power, and then it was still pretty similar to, let's say, 50 watt or 60 watt or even 70 watt speakers out there. So it's alright, but with this claimed 100 watts of power, it's really missing a bit of loudness for sure. It's loud enough for especially indoor use and so on, but for outdoor use it could definitely be a bit more louder. Especially if you consider the speaker was new €300. Now it's about 250. I was able to get this one on sale for 150. And then for €150, it's really a very great speaker, definitely. But even for the €250 range, it's really good solid sound. But yeah, you do need to keep it in consideration. It's not the loudest speaker out there, definitely also not for the price. So let's go to the samples, enjoy them, and I do also really hope you all enjoy the new way of audio recording. So the camera is always positioned a bit different than the microphone. So the microphone is always a bit more in the front of the speaker and more on a distance than the camera shows. So this means that the camera or the microphone system is producing much better audio performance. And also it's stereo, it has a bit of a binaural recording as well. It is at least also tuned like that. So be sure to enjoy their samples and see them. Enjoy them.
You're sleeping on on a bed of broken clocks. It's hard to make it stop. They only want you when you're gone. But when you're broken, they can see you start to rust. Oh, you won't know who to trust. They only want you when you're gone. You're looking for someone to blame, but it might be you. Yeah. Why do I try to give it all when it never works? They only want you when you're gone. What does it mean if you don't feel it when it really hurts? They only want you when you're gone. Came into this life with nothing but my last name, and I'll leave this world just like I came in, empty-handed and grateful, empty-handed and grateful. But I spend my life, but I spend my life. But I spend my life, but I spend my life on New York nature, on New York nature, on New York nature, on New York nature. One man's trash is another man's treasure. I don't care for the things that can be measured, but I love the things that can't be explained. Are you down? 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 Hippie time, hippie time, hippie time, hippie time, hippie time, hippie time, hippie times, hippie time, hippie time, hippie time, hippie time, hippie time, hippie time, hippie times. Are you down? 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 Hippie time, hippie time, hippie time, hippie time, hippie times, hippie time, hippie time, hippie time, hippie time, hippie times, hippie times, hippie times. What you want to, I know the truth. You're acting a fool, and I don't want you to do what you want to. I know the truth, you know it's you, so why don't you give it up? Give it up. Give it up. Give it up. If you think I was born yesterday, you're right. If you think I was born and I don't want you to do what you want to. I know the truth, you know it's you, so why don't you give it up? Give it up. The days when they moved out of the house left me a bit empty, to tell you the truth. No more mothers of God-fearing daughters begging their children to stay. In the corner, I think I see an old dusty bag, still full of their dreams. No more fathers driving in silence, afraid of what the others will say about the day.
Letzte Tage im Wald am Düsseldorf, Sommersonnenwende feiernd, im Totenforst, flüchteten auf Fahrrädern, die Nacht war heiß, entflohen dem Märchenland, auf der anderen Seite des Rheins, zwischen Gebeten, machen wir aus Sünden Tugenden und uns in den Mond verlieben, denn ich will leben wie im Märchenland, nur auf der anderen Seite des Rheins. Und am Ende von allem, am Ende von allem, am Ende von allem, am Ende von allem, am Ende von allem steht der Anfang von allem. Am Ende von allem, am Ende von allem, am Ende von allem, am Ende von boots in the dust, red grit on my jeans, moon in the visor, I move like a dream. Cave mouth open, black tooth in the hill. You said come closer, and I said I will. Paint on my hands, old map in my green. Count my steps slow, let the cold sink in. Echo keep talking, I don't mind the sound. I came here to dance when the sun went down. One step, two step under that stone. Hear my name bounce, round and round. Whole crew leaning, eyes on the glow. We came this far, now watch me fold. Dance off into my space, dance off into my space. Red dust on my shoes, I'm making my own way. Dance off into my space, dance off into my space. You can stay by the door, I'm disappearing in the flame. Walls all jagged, sharp like a crown. I leave little rhythms when my feet hit down. Glass in the ceiling, stars look killed. I feel that pulse in the way I build. No fear on my tongue, no chain on my plate. I turn that dark into a
Sagt, dass mir der Wind weht. Jeder Schmerz, den du in dir hast, vergeht. Denn alles hat ein Ende und einen Grund, so wie du und ich. Du weißt, dass ich recht hab. Du weißt, dass ich recht hab. Dass ich recht hab. Am Morgen die Nachricht von Schlägereien im Knast. Abends ertränkt ein 13-jähriges Mädchen im Kanal ihren Frust. Sie wurde belästigt, der Kerl kannte keine Gnade. Das Mädchen kämpfte nicht, weil sie sich schon selber hasste. Irgendwo ein Junge, der seine Klinge küsst. Seine Familie zerstritten, lässt ihn allein im Stich. Auf Drogen, um zu verdrängen, dass die Realität nicht so ist. Wie in den ganzen YouTube-Videos, die er sah, als er ein Kind war. Und alle paar Tage wird wieder ein Kind entführt für einen Menschenhändler. Keiner fragt, ob du's auch schon mal gesehen hast. Jeder hier will berühmt sein, wie man an der Stadtgrenze sieht. Und in der Heimat hört man jetzt schon die Schüsse. Ich habe es immer gesagt, aber keiner hat mir zugehört. Meine Mama so nervös wie noch nie, denn meine Schwester wurde fast vergewaltigt. Doch der Schock war stärker als ihr Überlebensinstinkt. Und dieser Dreckskerl wird jetzt bald wieder freigelassen. Ein neuer Tag, das Meer